What if you could create a complete song without playing an instrument? Or if you're a musician who doesn't sing? Generative music AI platforms like Suno AI make this possible. But crafting the perfect prompt can be challenging. That's why I developed a new app, tool designed to help you direct the AI using your own musical ideas. It's a free app on the Play Store, and my hope is that it empowers more people to unlock their creative potential and turn the melodies in their heads into finished songs. Today, I'm going to take a rock song I wrote back in 2009 and rearrange it into a Bossa Nova track. I've already written new lyrics for it, and the title is Dream. In the original version, I played the guitar and piano myself and used virtual instruments for the rest. Let me show you how I use my app and Suno AI to transform this track. First, let's listen to a clip of the original song. Okay, so that's the original. Before we add lyrics and vocals, I want to create the instrumental foundation. To get that bossa nova feel, I've selected specific genres, moods, and instruments in my app. In the Custom Styles section, you can add more specific instructions. I've added a key directive: follow the melody of the original track. Now, the app generates an optimized style prompt. You don't need to manually search for the right keywords for instruments or moods. My app streamlines the process by translating your selections into the most effective prompt. Of course, you could try to build this in Gemini or ChatGPT, My app internally generates a solid prompt, then uses the Gemini API to refine it one last time, ensuring a truly optimized result. So let's hear the first instrumental arrangement. This is based purely on the style prompt, without lyrics, following the original melody. Let's see how it interpreted the Bossa Nova style. This is a great start, but I personally prefer a more dramatic and lush sound. So let's see how a small change in the prompt can create a big difference. To get that more dramatic effect, I'm simply adding two keywords, cinematic and epic. Let's regenerate the style. Now I'll input the new updated prompt and generate the music again. You can hear the difference, right? The sound is much richer and fuller. I'm happy with this instrumental direction. I've already written the lyrics and even included emotional cues for the AI vocalist. I'll cover that specific process in a future video. Now let's add the vocals and hear the final result. There we go.
Crimson light comes through the pane, tickling my eyes open again. Sweetest dream of the afternoon, guess it had to end so soon. Floating free without a care, orange curtains dance in the air. This quiet moment, a thrilling haze, don't want to break out of this maze. A distant voice is calling my name. Oh, my heart is caught in a game. The scent of this red color sky. Just one more moment, let me There is a voice once again. Oh, my heart is caught in the rain. The scent of this red color sky. Just one more moment, let me lie. I know that dinner's warm and waiting. I'm coming down, no need for anticipating. Just for a second, let this peace surround me. Please let me be. Just wait for me in this lazy haze. My sunset
I'm really pleased with the richness of the final track and how the vocal line turned out. This process highlights a key aspect of AI music generation. Everyone has a unique taste. If you like the style of music I create, you'll probably enjoy the other tracks I've made. And even though anyone can use these AI tools, the results will always be different because each person brings their own individuality and style to the creative process. If my musical style resonates with you, feel free to explore more of my work on Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. Your subscriptions, likes, and notifications fuel this channel and inspire me to create more content. I hope the Music Prompt Generator app can help you on your own creative journey. Until next time,